Aiming and firing. Position the aiming reticle over the target. Now firing. Notice the recoil? Remember, use short control bursts. Lay in the trigger too long. Remember, try to destroy these targets. Proceed to the next area. Grenade throwing. Let's see how well you can handle a grenade. Try throwing a single grenade into each container. If you run out of grenades, there are more on the table. You can throw grenades over long distances, or you can toss them out in front of you. Some grenades have an effective kill radius of 8 meters. Action. You may need to interact with a number of different things on the field. For example, use it to take out the target. Welcome to the intermediate course. Make your way to the end. Take out as many targets as you can before the timer expires. Excellent results. Please proceed to the next area.